beep, beep. Oh, hi. Welcome to Henry Bear's construction site. All right, let's roll up our sleeves and grab some tools and let's get digging. First things first, soak the big truck in a bowl of water for 5 minutes. And while you're waiting, set up some signs on the construction site. Ooh, it's time for the dig! Lunch break. We found buried treasure. Come closer. Look at this little hot rod. Let's dust this guy off. That's all the time we have for today, but hey, keep digging. You might just find some other trucks in there.